do, man. Yup. I'm sorry, bro. I had the urge. I had to rub my nose. This was one of those shoes that I missed out on long ago, but I lucked up on it. This Christmas time, a lot of sneaker restocks happen. It seems that all the good sneaker restocks want to happen at the same time. This is all we doing. This is all we need to do. And you probably already saw it. Boom. Yup. It's been a long time coming. I can't even lie to you. Take this box. Toss that bad boy. We don't even need that no more. Boom. Here we are. I told you, bro. It's been a long time coming. Straight up dopeness. Look at that. But I'm sure those who know can already tell from the box. Yup. This one is different. This sneaker is the Air Jordan 1 Taxi, and just if you look closely, you can see that the quality on this one, the leather, is just already on a different level. You can tell. So I had to make sure that when I copped this one, hold on, bro. Your boy had to make sure that he doubled up on the Taxi. I had to make sure, bro. He had to make sure that he doubled up on the Taxi, bro. Yeah, I couldn't resist, bro. I'd be a fool not to, in my opinion, because people might think it's crazy, but you know, look, when you want to wear these again, let's just say you beat them up and you want to wear them again, they're gonna cost mad money to wear again. So what you gonna wear? Another shoe? No. Why not just beat that ahead of time? That's the other version I have. These things are so crispy. I'll be honest with you, as far as the ones, I copped these in a size 10. Haven't worn. Always, bro. Quick little zoom in. We're gonna look at the leather just to tell you, just so you can see how high quality that is for something on the feet. You know what I'm saying? If it's one thing about us, bruh, the kicks gotta be fresh. The kicks always have to be fresh. And that is official. That is what we want. First pair, second pair. Interesting tumble design, a tad different, but still all the same. Yellow bottom, look at the toe. Nice. Good leather. I need more ones. I need more dunks. I have some heaters coming soon. That is usually a shoe that runs true to size. If you go up a half a size, you'll have a little bit roomier fit. If you go a half size down, bro, you choke your toes.